Hey, what's up car enthusiasts, and welcome back to Car Trend, your home for the latest updates, reviews, and deep dives into the world of automobiles. Today we're exploring one of the most anticipated trucks of the upcoming year, the 2026 Ford F150 XLT 4x4. Ford's F-Series has long been the best-selling pickup in America, and with each new model, they continue to raise the bar in design, performance, and innovation. The F150 XLT 4x4 is no exception, bringing a balance of rugged power and modern sophistication that makes it one of the most versatile trucks on the market. The first thing that stands out about the 2026 F150 XLT is its exterior design. Ford has kept the bold, commanding look that drivers love while adding refined touches that push it into a modern era. The redesigned grille, accented by sleek LED headlights, makes a strong impression whether you're pulling up to a job site or cruising through the city. The muscular stance, sculpted body lines, and available wheel packages give it an aggressive yet polished look. Ford knows that truck buyers want something that can work hard but also look good doing it, and the new F150 hits that balance perfectly. Step inside, and the cabin of the F150 XLT feels like a step up in comfort and technology. Ford has put serious thought into making the interior both functional and premium. The seating is designed for long drives, offering excellent support and comfort. The center console is large and practical, perfect for storing gear or even working on the go. But the real star of the interior is the massive infotainment system, powered by Ford's Sync technology. This system provides seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice recognition, making it easy to stay connected without distraction. Drivers also get access to features like wireless charging, premium audio, and even customizable digital displays that put key information right where you need it. Performance is where the F150 XLT 4x4 really shines. Under the hood, Ford offers multiple engine options designed to fit different needs, including powerful V6 and V8 choices. The 4x4 system makes this truck capable of tackling tough terrain, from muddy trails to snowy highways, while still offering a smooth ride for everyday driving. One of the highlights of the 2026 model is its improved suspension system, which balances rugged off-road performance with comfort on city streets. For those who use their trucks for work, the F150 XLT offers outstanding towing and payload capabilities, making it just as practical as it is stylish. Ford has also doubled down on technology and safety in this model. The 2026 F150 XLT comes equipped with advanced driver assist systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and trailer backup assist. These features not only make driving easier but also safer, especially when handling a full-size truck in tight spaces or while hauling heavy loads. Ford has also focused on making trailering more user-friendly, with systems that help even inexperienced drivers tow with confidence. Beyond power and practicality, efficiency is also an important factor in modern trucks, and Ford has taken steps to make the F150 more fuel-efficient without compromising performance. With options like hybrid technology and smart driving modes, the 2026 F150 XLT offers versatility for drivers who want both strength and responsibility. In the end, the 2026 Ford F150 XLT 4x4 is more than just a pickup truck. It's a perfect combination of power, technology, comfort, and reliability. Whether you're using it as a workhorse, an adventure vehicle, or a comfortable daily driver, it's built to handle it all. Ford has once again proven why the F-Series remains at the top of the market, and the XLT 4x4 is set to be one of the standout trims of the lineup. So that's the inside look at the 2026 Ford F150 XLT 4x4. Do you think this is the best version of the F150 yet? Let us know in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to Car Trend for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and automotive news. The future of pickups is here, and the F150 is leading the way.